Good morning, another wet day today. So, just gonna show you how to wear your boots and wet boots. Nobody wants to wear wet boots all day on a ride. What you do is you get a plastic bag, you put your socks on so it won't be, fresh socks, and then you just wrap it like this, and then you stuff it in your boot. That's it, and strap it on, and it feels like new. Our breakfast in Tabuk. We're gonna go Kalinga later on, but this is just breakfast. Looks like it's not raining yet, but later on, hopefully it stays dry. Anyway, we're just trying to get breakfast now. Okay, this is the overall view of the whole route from day 1 to day number 4. We have been riding approximately 500 kilometers of mountain roads and some dirt areas. From Tabuk City, we decided to go up north to Lawag City so we can get maintenance on our motorcycles. And there's a small section where it's gonna be a 50 kilometer of unknown road. We don't know how bad the road is gonna be like, especially that it is the end of rainy season and we have a hurricane that's behind us. Day number 5 started with crossing dozens of bridges. I've never crossed so many bridges that day. All the rain made the river full as it exits to Cagayan Valley. We're gonna be following this river all the way on the other side. Sunny, but the river is flooded. The ride continues. P-brake is done. Still 100 and something kilometers to go. That river looks like it's gonna flow out. Engine is overheating, so we need to put oil. Okay. What else is gonna keep smoking again? As we get closer and closer to Kalinga, we notice mudslides and landslides. It was getting bigger and bigger. Alright, so we're officially in the thick of the landslide where everything is so slippery, and so a lot of these things are just slipping. People looking at us like we're weird, like came from Mars. We're all geared up and you don't know what to think or say. Anyway, this is a new road construction. We're gonna go and explore it. And hopefully we have enough fuel to exit Ilocos Norte or something. Stock up on food, so I'm gonna go to the store here. Oh, in remote areas there is no gas station. The best way to get fuel is through small stores like this one. They usually sell fuel by the bottle. Thank you. Off-road again. Oh boy, where is the road here? Oh my god! This is muddy! Oh my god! Woo! Oh man, what a craziness! That was so thick. I thought the bike is gonna Tulang o kaya? Wait lang. Oh my god. Oh, get off and then push it up. Oh shit. We went through landslide and it was mud thick and high, and we just like went through it. We need to wash this off before it dries out, or else it's gonna mess up our chain, engine, and everything else. Ilocos Norte. Banda to eh.
Awan, talagang mas kaasig ito. Ang kimakadanon.
DPWH.
Alright, so we are still in I don't know where we are, but anyway, we tried to get out of this place. It's closed. There's so much landslide happening, but we're gonna have to backtrack our way and go around this place instead of having a shortcut. It's gonna take us another day. We're probably gonna sleep in Kabugao, and there's just no way to get through here. They're still working on it. There's a lot of hurricanes that pass by here, so it's gonna be a tough one. Okay, we're gonna try to get out of here before sunset. We haven't had lunch yet, just have a little chicheria. You know, I'm having fun. It's called adventures. We're still in high spirits. Our bike's still good morale. We're just gonna have to get food and find another route out of here.
Yeah.
Too much fun for you? Hello, ada available nga meron? Pwede ma-check?
Pwede po.
Magkano per night? Pwede patingin yung dalawa? Yung
Doon na lang po, daan na lang po kayo doon.
ah, sige. We are in Kabugao. Just had our lunch. I mean dinner.
Dinner and lunch.
Actually, that's our lunch ending now because we skipped. So what's the good news and the bad news?
No, there's no bad news. Actually, all good news.
It's all good news. So the good news and the bad news is that we're alive.
We're alive from landslide, but now we're in a
We're in a flood
area.
zone.
Yeah.
So what's happening is that there's still landslide around, but we're trying to get out of here.
Let's go, bro.
This is crazy! This is the adventure now!